right, we're talking about lumber, we're talking about moldings, but I know that you don't just have one of each to choose from. You have a whole assortment here at Baird Brothers. So let's first talk about the different types of lumber available.
Yeah, so we're gonna offer a variety of different sizes of dimensional lumber. Anything down to 3/4 by 1.5 all the way up to 1.5 by 11.5 thick and wide. We can also do custom dimensional lumber if you have a size that you need that you're trying to match something. We do stock those in a variety of species as far as red oak, poplar, white oak.
At what point would you need to use lumber? What are some of the different projects you might need it for?
Yeah, so there's a variety of uses for dimensional lumber. One might be a face frame on a cabinet, casing and baseboard. So the options are really endless when it comes to the dimensional lumber in S4S.
And again, as you mentioned, custom options are available. There's something about using moldings that just seems to elevate a room, whether it's a chair rail, whether it's ceilings. So let's talk about all the different options that you have here.
Correct. Once again, we stock a variety of profiles and species in the moldings. We stock baseboards, casings, crowns, as you touched on, chair rails, and those are also going to be stocked in a few different species.
Now we have a couple of other examples. If we have time, I want to talk about these too, because again, there's just something that's so beautiful. It's so simple. And what I like too about Baird Brothers, if someone has a vision, you're able to bring that vision to life. You even offer a lot of the 3D prototypes, don't you?
Correct. So on our website, we have about 3,000 to 4,000 custom profiles that we already have the tooling for. If you're trying to match something specifically that you either saw in a magazine or maybe you bought a house and you're just trying to fix a piece, we will actually do a 3D print of the profile that you're trying to match and send it to you to make sure that you like it.
That's great. And what is this for?
So that is a crown molding.
All right, that's the crown molding.
Yep.
Elevate any dining room.
Exactly, yeah,
What
beautiful.
about this? What would this be?
So that's a dental molding. So that would go into a crown. Just gives the crown a little extra detail.
Molding is something that we only have in my house in the dining room. And I told my husband I want to add it to other rooms because it gives it this elevated, wonderful, classy appeal.
Yeah, the crown can definitely take a room to a new level, especially if you have higher ceilings. A big crown can definitely decorate a room very nicely.
So basically, Ben, what I'm hearing today is if you have a home renovation project, if you need the lumber, if you need the moldings, whatever it is that someone needs, whether it's custom or not, you can help them.
Yeah, definitely. And there's a million profiles on our website. If we don't stock it, we can turn around and make it for you and get it out to your job site as quickly as possible.
And not only are they super knowledgeable, but they are so helpful as well. Ben, thank you as always.
Thank you.
So wonderful to see you.
Yep.